Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up revalving a set of WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge forks or cartridge kit. This kit comes from WP, set up for motocross riding. And the rider that purchased this has a 2020 KTM 450 XCF, and he does off-road riding / racing. The racing he does off-road is more momentum based. So think second, third, fourth, sometimes fifth gear riding. So you're riding off-road with lots of momentum versus technical single track where you're riding very slow, usually first, second gears, and you're kind of picking apart the trail section at a time. So these forks were softened up a little bit for off-road riding to make the forks a lot more compliant in rocks and on small bumps. You do give up a little bit of bottoming resistance, but you don't really find any jumps out on the off-road course. So that is an okay trade-off in this case. These are the compression assemblies, part of the area that was revalved to make it more set up for off-road riding. The cartridges we have in our bleeding fixtures. So we put cartridges in these, and that way we can purge / bleed the air out of the oil while we have our other vices not being used up at that time. So we'll put cartridges in these and bleed them over the course of an hour or so to get a really good bleed. Being a 2020 model, this requires new lugs for it to be a direct drop-in. So these are the new lugs that the customer is going to put on. The cost of the new lugs is $125 each, so it is $250 for the set. Again, these are needed if you have a 2017 to 2020 model bike that doesn't have the newest lug design that allows this drop-in kit to just be a direct drop-in kit. So I'm gonna finish building these cartridges. I'm gonna get these compression assemblies installed into these cartridges and then get everything boxed up and ready to ship back out to the customer. So that way he has a real nice, easy install for him, with the exception of swapping out the lugs. All JBI suspension and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.